Question 1. 36 times 21 equals? The correct answer is 756. Question 2. 39 times 14 equals? The correct answer is 546. Question 3. In 94.49, what is the tenths digit? The correct answer is 4. Question 4. 15 times 15 equals? The correct answer is 225. Question 5. 21 times 16 equals? The correct answer is 336. Question 6. 314 divided by 9 equals? The correct answer is 34/8. Question 7. Which decimal is greater? 5.54 or 1.55? The correct answer is 5.54. Question 8. 16.5 times 8 equals? The correct answer is 132.0. Question 9. 128 divided by 4 equals? The correct answer is 32. Question 10. 37.8 plus 26.6 equals? The correct answer is 64.4. Question 11. 42.0 minus 22.3 equals? The correct answer is 19.7. Question 12. 217 divided by 7 equals? The correct answer is 31. Question 13. Which decimal is greater? 18.65 or 2.55? The correct answer is 18.65. Question 14. 13 times 12 equals? The correct answer is 156. Question 15. 47 times 7 equals? The correct answer is 329. Question 16. 99 times 10 equals? The correct answer is 990. Question 17. 88 times 3 equals? The correct answer is 264. Question 18. 99 times 12 equals? The correct answer is 1188. Question 19. 69.6 divided by 8 equals? The correct answer is 8.7. Question 20. 73.7 minus 37.1 equals? The correct answer is 36.6.